What up, survivors? It's your sister Soul Survivor, and I am out here at the Northeast OKC spot here where we are doing the farmers market at. Here is a start in the background. Those are greens. Let me let you all get a close up. This is my farming family. Hey, tell them hey, y'all. Yeah, let the survivors know what's up. We got some gardeners here. We got some farmers. Yes, how you doing? Yes. Hello, let the survivors know what's up.
That's what's up, hey,
Yes, hello.
Who did that hat?
My sister did this hat. One of a kind. Just for me. All about me. Okay, so they are planting. Sisters over here are planting some peppers right now. And let me turn the screen around so you all can see. Can I? And once you around, you just around. Okay, let's see. I can't turn it around without losing the video. So I'll let you see it from the background. Look at all these greens right here. All the greens, the collards. Aren't they beautiful? Let you get a good close-up look at what we're doing out here. This is the no-till gardening that we're doing here, meaning we are not tilling the dirt. We are just planting. They are much more healthier that way, and that's the way we're doing it. So they got holes dug. They got the pampers going on over here. Let me show you the tomatoes, however you want to say it. Let's see, let's go over here. Isn't that beautiful? That background, I'm loving it. How y'all like our shirts too? This is our shirts, yes. We're on the move. We've been selling quite a bit this morning. Got a lot of support from the family. And here is the tomatoes over here. See the tomatoes, how it's coming along? Oh yeah, we're moving right along. Even with the corona, slowed us down some, but we're still in motion here. Northeast OKC Farmers Market family. We are bringing awareness to the food desert in the OKC, Northeast OKC location. We're in Spencer right now. And so that is what we got started so far. And this is my first time out with the family. It is such a blessing to be a part of a family, farmers family, a group that we all got one mindset, is to help feed the community. Check this out. Better. See? And so we got the collards here, and then we also have kale. See the kale? This is the kale right here. So, and these are the collards. Check it out. So far, so good. Even with the start that we had going on. Let me get over here to Renato so he can tell us a little bit more about the type of they put the, see, I'm learning myself, learning and growing as I am growing fruits and vegetables for the family and our community. So Renato, give me that breakdown again. What is this, the cardboard for? See the cardboard? Okay, tell us a little bit about that cardboard again that you was telling me.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's just a part of the no-till farming. There's a lot of different techniques that you can use with the no-till, but one of the ways we do it is to, instead of tilling up the soil and turning up the microbiology in the soil, what we do is just what we call soil amendment.
Okay.
We just add real rich nutrient soil with compost on top of it. And so we use the cardboard for a couple of reasons. One of them is to keep down weeding. So when you put that cardboard over the grass, it's gonna cut your weeding down, which, like, when you're gardening, weeding can be like 80% of what you're out here weeding all the time. It takes a lot of time and effort and money. So with the cardboard, it reduces the need to weed, and it also just provides a biodegradable way to have your soil amendment. So this starting out this year, it is what it is right now. But once we continue to keep adding and keep adding and keep adding nutrients after nutrients after nutrients, in another 2 years, it'll be less work. So this is very cost up front. But it's a lot better for the environment, and it is going to increase the health of the soil. It's sustainable. We're using it's sustainable, and it'll be economical, and it pays off in the end. Because what this compost is going to do, and what the soil is going to be, it's going to be so good and rich that it's going to strengthen the plants to where they can fight off any pests and diseases and problems that other plants may have. These plants are going to be so strong that they're going to fight off most of that themselves, just being in such a nutrient-rich soil.
All right. Well, see, there you have it. A class there from the farmer, Ronaldo. Yeah, so we are moving right along. We're right on schedule. Been selling a lot this morning, and we've got quite a bit going on out here. I'm still learning. I'm still growing myself, but I am excited to be a part of the Northeast OKC Farmers family, and I'm just excited. I'm glad that we are all on one accord on this, and we are making some changes. We're doing some things. Come on out. If you're in Oklahoma City, Northeast OKC Farmers Market. We are located in Spencer. I don't remember I don't have, what's the address here? What's the address here?
Well, the address for that building over there is
8515. Not 8515 what? Northeast 25th. 8515 Northeast 25th. Come on out. We're selling bunches of greens today. We are making some changes and trying to help out in the community, so it's not so much of a food desert, Corona has really opened my eyes to get going. I've been wanting to farm for a while, have the seeds, all the supplies, but just didn't have the time. So Corona kind of pushed me in. Well, not kind of. She pushed me right on into what I'm really supposed to be doing, is growing food to help in the community. So there you have it. And a priest came out earlier and poured libations, and what a blessing. Bless the land, bless the hands, blessed our ancestors. It was just one blessing after another for the land and for the work that we're doing. All right, survivors, continue to survive till you start thriving. All right, it's your sister, Soul Survivor. And until next time, peace and blessings. Mwah. I do.